Prepare to be amazed, folks. Here's my entry in Sumos 3-minute scrapwood challenge. Let's do this. Now this bottle of whiskey is going to make a great gift. It just needs a presentation box to make it that little bit more special, and that's what I'll be making in today's scrapwood challenge. Now for the scrapwood challenge, I've gathered together an eclectic mix of exotic and hard to source materials, such as pallet wood. I've got this old piece of pine here, complete with its own checkout, and 2 bob dents, so that'll come in handy, and even a sheet of plywood bracing material. So I think we're off to a good start. Now just before I box in this bottle of whiskey, I want to make sure that it fits. There you go, like a glove. And now it's time to put on those cross members from side to side, and that'll stop that whiskey bottle from falling out. And yep, that there is, yep, real blood. And check it out, what an absolute ripper. And how's the attention to detail? It's virtually impossible to tell where the 2 timbers meet. And of course, there's the fancy dovetail joinery down here, minus the whole dovetail thingy, because that just complicates the whole show. And of course, who could possibly forget the ancient Japanese technique of using dowels? A technique or method passed down over the centuries, still used to this day, but only mastered by a few. So what do you reckon, folks? I absolutely love it. Now in all seriousness, if I was to receive this as a present, being an avid woodworker DIYer, I'd be absolutely over the moon. What a great little gift. And to you, Sumo, thanks heaps for the opportunity to be part of the Scrapwood Challenge, and good luck to everybody else in the competition. Oh yeah, by the way, to you and James, there's a little something in the mail. No strings attached. Great tip, Knuckleheads!